Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to blend pictures in Pixlr. So first, go to Pixlr and open the Pixlr editor. Then go to your File Explorer and select the pictures you want to add and drag them to the browser. Then drop them here and select to create new or add to current. I will just select the second option. Now let's adjust the two pictures. Now you can adjust the pictures for your liking. Right click on the top picture and change the transparency and adjust the picture to your liking. Now go to cutout/mask and here select the image layer. Then select gradient mask and linear in the type. And do exactly what I'm doing here. Now select magic draw mask and change the brush size and softness. Then remove, let's increase the size even more. And remove the other parts of the picture. Now after finishing, you can decrease the size again and select add to mask and here add parts to this layer. And let's select again gradient mask and remove this line. Now right click on this picture and select blend mode and select overlay. Let's decrease the transparency. And now select merge visible. Now here you can add vibrance. Click on apply. Color balance. Let's add some red. Then click on apply. And you can also mimic HDR. And let's add a filter. And that's it. Now you know how to blend pictures in Pixlr. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.